And shifting focus back to India, let's take you to Bengaluru, where thousands of dead fish have surfaced at a lake in the middle of the city. Now, this city has been struggling to clean up its badly polluted lakes. Now, the sight of dead fish in the lake has shocked residents. In fact, it shocked residents since early this morning. The lake is a very popular boating site, but untreated sewage flowing into the lake is known to be choking the life out of this lake. Now, last year, you'd recall there were pictures of thick froth that was seen on a lake in Bengaluru. Then flames were seen from another, the Yamlur Lake, one of the city's most polluted lakes, and these are pictures of earlier this morning. India Today's Rohini Swami now joins me with more on the story. Rohini, very disturbing pictures. What more can you tell us about this?
Well, absolutely. Another example of the pollution that we're seeing, especially in lakes in Bangalore. And like you said, we've seen frothing lakes, we've seen lakes catching fire in Bangalore because of the high levels of pollutants. And now we're seeing how the sea life is getting affected and a number of fishes are dying here. What we've been told initially by the local residents is a lot of effluents that are flowing through sewage pipelines are getting mixed with the lake water, and that is the cause. The chemicals in those effluents are the cause for the death of these fishes. Now, this area is also a recreational area where a lot of boating takes place. Children, there's a play area around that place. If the water is contaminated, we're not only talking about fishes and other sea life that is getting affected. Also, people over there will be getting affected because the water can directly affect them. The point is they're trying to say is that every time the Pollution Control Board says they're cleaning up, the cleanup work doesn't take place. And even if it does, they're not relentlessly taking care of their lakes. And this is a classic example of how we're seeing that thousands and thousands of fishes lying there dead, showing and making that example time and again to say that it is very important that our water bodies are taken care of, and that too for the sake of all of us and every life that depends upon water.
Okay. Now, this isn't the first time, as you pointed out, whether it's lakes in flames or froth in the lakes or now dead fishes. What is the administration doing to clean up the lakes?
Well, what we just saw in Alsur Lake area, now this is a part of the Central Business District also. There's several numerous lakes in Bangalore city. The administration has taken up a blueprint of how they can go about cleaning up the lakes in the city. Now, they have drawn out this they have drawn out a blueprint, but the point remains that implementation is where the problem lies. Several decisions can be made, several laws can be made, but if it's not implemented on the field, then it's a problem. And this is the problem of implementation. While this, let me also let you know that this particular lake is taken care of by the local area in terms of the local, it's close to an army base also. They are taking care of it. But at the end of the day, it's also the effluents that come from these various sewage pipes that also get drained into that place. The administration should ensure that the drainage of the city does not get mixed up with the water bodies.
Yes.
And that is where the problem lies.
Keep tracking that story, Rohini. For the moment, many thanks.